You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Kiwi, a New Zealand wrestler. If you want to learn more names from the MMA or UFC, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more confusing names that are pronounced. Michelle, you probably knew that. Montague. Her name in French would be pronounced as Montague, but it's actually said Michelle Montague. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.